That's the first start. Sounds really, really good. Nice idle. Got good oil flow. Oil going into and out of the oil bottle. That's a good move. The bike sounds very good. I see a little bit of flare there in the light, indicating that it's probably charging. Slow the idle down a little bit. Actually, sounds really good. Bike sounds really good. I'll fire it up again tomorrow and put a strobe light on the ignition just to confirm that the ignition timing is perfect. But the bike started easily, sounds really good, idles nicely, revs smoothly. I'm very pleased. I'll put it up in the air again, let it sit overnight, and do an oil leak check now that I've run the engine. So there it sits, getting real close.